Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a sum formula in Google Sheets. Step by step, let's begin. Click anywhere cells, click anywhere, example, use B6 into sum, Alt Shift, use bracket, then example, sum A2, B2 and B5, last cells B5. Press enter and use separate add separate cells. Apply the same process into sum. Example, use B2 use B5 or B4. Press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.